Every single thing that you say on the phone is recorded.
I know that, so why would I be on it threatening people?
We'll find out. I think that you are continuing to threat to the public even while being in jail.
What criminal?
I don't want you to say anything. That's okay. We're going to find out because I'm going to have them pull all the records, pull all the phone calls, and we'll listen to everything.
Okay, but I can't call nobody. Literally nobody. So what? There's no TV in my tank. There's no nothing. What am I supposed to do?
Come on, it's time to go play Fortnite. Let's go. Come on. Huh? Fortnite.
Judge.
Whatever happened with Mr. Wiggins?
Mr. Wiggins has some bond conditions to not speak to a complaining witness in an ag assault with a deadly weapon and an ag assault family member. He then went to jail and called her twice and her mom.
I mean, what more can we do? Really?
Take the phone away.
Oh, yeah, that's a good point. We'll do it now.
He also called not only under his own name, but he also called under 3 other inmates' names.
Good morning, Mr. Wiggins.
What?
How's jail?
Cool.
It's come to my attention that you are violating the conditions that we set out in this court, flaunting it, and trying to get a hold of the complaining witnesses in these cases where we've told you not to. Go ahead.
Yes, Judge. The deputy called me this morning and said that the defendant has called the complaining witness twice and the mother of the complaining witness as well. The deputy told me that while listening to these phone calls, he heard the defendant and say things such as, "This is how you take care of things," and that everybody violates their bond conditions and talks to the complainants in these cases. He also heard the defendant make statements saying that he was going to continue to violate bond, and once he gets out, he was going to hire an attorney, but he had previously learned that the defendant was indigent, and so he took this to mean that the defendant was going to commit other criminal acts to get money to hire an attorney.
Can you please notify?
This dude's treating jail time like it's a group chat and not a holding cell with surveillance. Threatening witnesses from behind bars isn't just reckless, it's basically a handwritten invitation for the judge to stack more charges and lock down tighter. Legally, that's tampering, intimidation, and in some states it can even trigger no contact orders that restrict communication with anyone tied to the case. At this point, Judge Fleischer doesn't need a gavel, he needs a fire extinguisher for how fast this guy's torching his own defense.
The other courts as well, that are so that they know as well.
Yes, Judge. I just sent a full email to the felony prosecutor in case the deputy hadn't already alerted her. I just went ahead and did it. The deputy, again, is getting the transcripts for these calls, and that the defendant has been using 3 separate inmates' spin codes. That would be Jermaine Brown, Mark Diaz, and Dennis Compton.
Your privileges are hereby revoked. You are not allowed to use the jail phone at all from now on. Do you understand? I think that you are continuing to threat to the public even while being in jail. So your privileges to use the phones at all are hereby revoked.
Judge, I just, again.
You just told you.
Not even.
Please stop.
So
And I just want to reiterate.
Please, go ahead.
He's
Yeah.
19. You are taking away his ability to communicate with his family.
But he's making additional threats allegedly, you know? Okay, we're going to get the records, but
Okay.
until I know that you're not a threat, I mean,
He's typing everything.
every single thing that you say on the phone is recorded.
I know that, so why would I be on it threatening people?
We'll find out. Because I'm going to ask, could you mind please pulling all the records, getting all the phone calls, and we'll play them out here in court, and we'll see. And if it's not, then I will gladly give you your phone privileges back. But there have deputies that have pinpointed you allegedly, you and using other people's spin numbers to make phone calls, to make continuing threats, and to further criminality if and when you get out.
What criminal?
I don't want you to say anything. That's okay. We're going to find out because I'm going to have them pull all the records, pull all the phone calls, and we'll listen to everything.
Judge, I will also say that
At this point, the defense attorney's basically tap dancing in a minefield. She knows she's defending a walking RICO case with a teenager's face. Trying to spin he's just 19 while he's out here threatening witnesses is like bringing a pool noodle to a sword fight. The court doesn't care how old you are if you're already showing the mindset of a career criminal. And legally, once intimidation gets involved, the judge has every reason to treat you like a public safety risk, not a confused kid who made a mistake.
The defendant told the complaining witness, this is about the ag assault involving the firearm, that when she got shot, the defendant said that's what happens when you hang out with gangsters.
So pull all that stuff, and all that stuff gets, so we need to figure out how, because it's a first for me as far as doing a revocation of privileges like that. As far as revoking phone privileges for inmates,
As far as I know, it has to be through the court order.
okay. I need to do whatever I can because it's apparently a problem now. So I guess I'll reach out to administration as well to figure out how, because it's a first for me.
Judge, just so we're all on the same page, Mr. Wiggins is obviously going back to the jail now. Even before that order is in place, you are instructing him now not to use the phone. So,
No.
So I did do it. That's so stupid.
well, we'll get the tapes and
Get it? We'll
Okay,
see.
good. Okay, but I can't call nobody. Literally nobody. So what? There's no TV in my tank. There's no nothing. What am I supposed to do?
It's jail.
What's the point?
Read a book.
There is no books. I read every book in there.
Yes.
Okay. I can't trust you to use a phone, Mr. Wiggins. You know what's happening. I have other deputies that have alerted us to what's going on. I can't. That's it. You got to know when you're in the jail, there are eyes all over you. It's like at a casino. You literally have eyes all over you at all times. You got to know that whatever you're doing is always being looked at.
Stay in bed. That's why I wasn't threatening nobody. I didn't say anything.
he's
So-
typing
and
everything
then-
that you're saying.
Asking them
I
to pull it.
understand. He's talking about I'm doing illegal things when I get out to hire a lawyer and all these other things. That's stupid. I never said anything about anything illegal. That's just
This case honestly felt like watching someone light a match in a room full of gasoline and then ask why it's getting hot. Judge Fleischer didn't go full hammer mode, but with how reckless this guy's been, I don't know if there is a perfect sentence for someone who's so determined to self-destruct. Taking his phone is a temporary fix. It's like hiding the Sharpies from a kid who keeps drawing on the walls. But the bigger problem is he doesn't seem to grasp that his actions have long-term consequences, not just timeouts. And when you're 19 and already on the court's radar for assault and intimidation, that's not a mistake. It's a pattern forming in real time. In the legal world, threatening a witness isn't some throwaway charge. It hits hard. It tells the judge you're not just breaking laws, you're actively trying to mess with how justice works. That's the kind of thing that gets you extra years, stricter confinement, and way less sympathy from anyone in the courtroom. It's like pressing the make it worse button. Judges don't take that lightly, and honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if next time this guy shows up in court, he's staring down a sentence that makes today look like a warm-up. But I want to know what you guys think. Should Judge Fleischer have dropped a harsher sentence, or was this already more than fair? Is this guy just a clueless kid making bad decisions? Or is he spiraling into something way bigger? Drop your take in the comments. I'm reading through all of them. And if you're into court breakdowns that mix legal drama with real talk, hit that like button and subscribe. I post new videos every day, and I really do appreciate you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.